Hi guys, welcome back to our channels. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows notifications. So first, click on the search bar and then select the gear icon to go to your settings. Now from here, click on System. Then after, go to Notifications and Actions from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between Sound and Focus Assist. Here, make sure that the toggle is turned off to disable notifications on your Windows. Uncheck or check the box according to your preference. Otherwise, you can enable the notifications and selectively uncheck to disable notifications from unnecessary applications as well. This allows you to receive notifications only from the desired applications without turning off all notifications. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.